Are pests taking over your fall garden? Just when your harvest should be thriving, insects and critters can ruin months of hard work. But here's the good news. You can fight back using safe, organic methods that protect your plants, your soil, and your family. Today, we're breaking down the most effective organic pest control strategies for the fall season. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned gardener, these proven methods will help you protect your crops naturally. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe to become part of our gardening family. You won't want to miss what's coming next. In the fall, cooler weather drives pests like cabbage worms, aphids, and slugs to seek out tender crops such as broccoli, kale, and lettuce. Unlike summer pests that thrive in heat, fall pests often hide in leaf litter, mulch, and soil crevices. If left unchecked, they can wipe out entire beds in just days. One of the most effective organic defenses is simple, physical barriers. Row covers and insect netting prevent pests from landing on your plants in the first place. They're reusable, affordable, and work especially well for brassicas like kale, cabbage, and cauliflower. Don't underestimate the power of hand picking. A few minutes each morning to check for caterpillars, beetles, or egg clusters can save entire harvests. Encouraging natural predators is another smart tactic. Ladybugs, lacewings, birds, and even frogs are allies in organic gardening. Planting flowers like dill, fennel, or marigolds nearby attracts beneficial insects that do the pest control work for you. When infestations grow beyond handpicking, organic sprays come in handy. Neem oil, insecticidal soap, and homemade garlic or chili sprays can deter pests without harming soil health. Slugs and snails love the cool, damp conditions of fall. Set up simple beer traps or sprinkle crushed eggshells around plants to deter them. For raised beds, copper tape along the edges works like an electric fence they can't cross. Pest control starts with healthy soil and garden hygiene. Clear away diseased or spent plants, compost properly, and rotate crops each season. Strong, healthy soil grows strong, resilient plants that pests are less likely to overwhelm. Organic pest control isn't about perfection, it's about balance. By combining barriers, predators, sprays, and soil care, you can protect your fall garden naturally and enjoy a healthy harvest. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and join our gardening family. Together, we'll keep growing season after season.